What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Audi A3 flip key remote fob. This Audi A3 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a smaller flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we hold it with the buttons facing down, and then we grab our screwdriver, taking a look down here near the key ring on the bottom, you can see there's a little bit of a notch that I have the end of the screwdriver in right there. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in there like that, and then pry up on that back cover. Get the back cover off. Now we see our battery right here. And there's a little slot right here that will allow you to get your screwdriver in and get under the edge of the battery and get the battery out of that holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to start this edge in first down here, the side opposite of that notch where we put our screwdriver. So I'll kind of tuck that edge in first like that, and then push it down into place. Snap the back cover on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.